Come on, guys. Come on, guys! What a girl! Let's not have too much fun, Scoldy. Get the cash. Alright, Rotome Goggles, now hand it over. I'm not afraid of you. I find that hard to believe. Whether you have the chills or ran in the wrong direction. Either way, whether you're a brave corpse or a dead chicken, you're still dead to me. What was that? It's probably nothing. Yeah, a cat. Okay, cat. Where are you? Come out now. Sorry to disappoint you, scum of the earth, but I'm no cat. But I'm Ninja Chicken. Hey, cut it out. It wasn't me. What? What? Let him go. Why should I? Because you should keep your eyes on the prize. After I'm done plucking your feathers, it'll be donation time at KFC. Ha! The yolks on you! That place has been shut down due to some heat, if you know what I mean. So it was you. I should have known. With all that poop on the sidewalk. And I'm gonna poop all over your face and finish what that girl did to your face. The Cyclops! You told me it was the Warriors! I told you, you were on steroids. Enough of the foolishness. Get him now. Wow! You must be Playface. Huh? Is there something funny? Is there something on your face? Or you just happen to see me? Do you know who I am? Yeah, it's on your faceplate. I don't get it. Let me contemplate. Silence. I didn't come here for a show. I came here with a warning. Go back to the barn, leave the eggs, and spare you and your feathered friends. You have 24 hours to decide. Sayonara, bird brain. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. I don't think so.